मैं तो
2040
बोलता
ना?
हूँ
After is it
हाँ
on?
It's good, man. I'm sure once he gets the battlefield experience
वो
like we
वो
had
भी
that day, right?
खेल पाएंगे
Oh, zombie killing zombie.
Okay, I'm going to.
Oh, nice. I don't know who killed him.
Bye! Bye bye!
अरे, ooh, man,
Dropping into the AO.
which gun they are using? Oh, ho, launcher, RGL 80.
What the fuck
Playtime's over. Stand
बाबा
by.
आ गया
Moving to the war zone.
Oh, that's so sticky.
என்னாச்சு?
Ready in 3 mics.
No,
Relay those
guy was
coordinates.
desperately trying to kill me. I'm
You
also
are.
trying
We
desperately.
got the green light. You're going
But
to
then
Oh,
I
that
got
end time.
Man, my
Here and shoot.
voice chat
Drop the
volume is at
Hmm.
50, 60. I've
எனக்கு அந்த
turned
இந்த
it on.
ஸ்கின் ரொம்ப
Still,
பிடிச்சிருக்கு
I can't
அலோனோட
hear
ஸ்கின் ரொம்ப
anything.
சூப்பரா இருக்கு.
I can't hear anything.
சப் ஜீரோ மாதிரி
What
இருக்கு.
the hell
ஐஸ்மேன்.
is wrong with this game? I don't understand.
Let's get
you're
this
hearing
done.
game audio over your own audio, right?
I can't hear you guys. This is just
Cash is your primary
You can't hear us
oh,
talking at all?
irritating. I don't
For
know.
lack of a better word, it's good.
Like, I am able to hear you something. Like, there is something coming on, but stupid dialogue volume and everything.
Yeah, that you need
Which
to
one we
reduce
have?
the
Can you?
master volume. Unless you reduce the master volume, you won't hear. Or Alien has one technique. I tried that, and after that, it's good. Or
Okay.
Master
maybe that
volume
was
is
for NFS,
50.
I think, right? What Alien suggested.
Yeah,
Master
NFS
volume.
Unbound.
NFS.
Yes. NFS.
For this, I
Need
think
for
you have
speed.
to reduce the master volume first. Otherwise, the other volumes will
Okay.
take precedence.
Now it is okay. Yeah.
I'm
After reducing
going
master
to
volume,
take that.
and then you can from there you can adjust it however you like.
Okay.
Who is
Taking effective fire.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Who is one Pac-Man? Who is two IK? What man? Everybody are in one place?
One guy was trying to
Okay.
snipe you
I
guys.
just
I
landed.
took him out.
I just landed
One more,
anywhere.
one
I
more.
Pac-Man
felt
base.
like
One more is coming, guys.
coming to you guys.
Hmm.
Shit.
Ah man, what the hell is wrong with this game?
Oh shit. Moving here.
Oh man, who got you? Where is that?
Can someone revive me? I'm gonna die. You'll have to come quick.
I'm coming.
I'm
Oh
dead.
man,
Carrying critical intel. Secure them to the
man, he got the
destination
haymaker.
to transfer the data.
Why they are using a haymaker here? Not be locked down.
Unbelievable.
Oh, I need to speed that gun too. Let me take it out.
Oh, one shot XRK. I thought, how did I die?
The
Oh,
what was that man? What? Who? From where? Oh,
Was it a
sniper
sniper?
dude.
Yeah, I took
Sniper,
out that
sniper.
Yeah,
sniper
Yeah, yeah.
right
XRK.
at the beginning, right? He was trying to snipe you guys out. I
Yeah,
landed behind,
Wow.
I
Uh-huh.
mean, next to
Us.
him and I took him out.
it's just one shot sniper.
Then he
Suddenly
came
I
back.
was full screen was black. I don't know.
Take
How.
the contact drug just down below.
Yeah, I'm taking the contract.
Okay.
Top side.
I am staying with
Contract.
K.
Okay.
K the one. K.
Good. Okay.
இங்க இருக்கலாமா நல்ல பில்டிங்கா இருக்கு
Location
IQ.
located. Get your squad mate there so they can transfer
Somebody
their
shooting
intel.
Pac-Man. I don't know from where is shooting. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm in. மாப்பனெல்லாம் அடிப்பானுங்க ஹெலிகாப்டர் வரையா
Oh man, shoot. Oh, bro. You scared me. You shooting on me, bro. I thought that was an enemy. this is this is not really good at all, bro.
I'm using suppressor bro, so you cannot hear me shoot, okay? I'll be silent.
He's keeping you on your toes, man, so that your reaction will be fast.
Yeah, you
That's
were
what
fast.
I'm
You were
tweaking.
running slow actually. I wanted you to
You're
run
teaching.
fast.
Upload
You are not
Yeah.
teaching me something. You are just scared me for something, you know. You,
Who's teaching,
because of
man?
your,
You thought
if you are
enemy is
doing like
shooting and you
that,
ran away.
that
I mean,
if you are doing
yeah,
like
got
that,
it.
then my level going really down, bro.
Down. Okay,
Your
I'm
contact
dragging you
system.
with me, dude. I'm happy I'm dragging you with me. I'm dragging you to the hell.
Just
Drag you to the hell.
just stay guys and take the contract. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, okay.
Come here, come here, come. Go.
Squad
Let's
mates
go,
got
Oh,
let's go to
valuable
the intel.
intel. Get them to an uplink station marked
Find
Pac-Man
and
us.
is
attack them
down.
to
Take the
escort.
Pac-Man. पलट मेरी जहाँ हाथ पकड़.
Okay, we can. Pac-Man is going.
Go to the.
I think we can.
Go to the upside.
என்னங்க தனியா ஓடிட்டு இருக்கான்? சரி, okay.
What is that mean, bro?
No, he's going alone. He's not coming in the chopper, I told.
Okay, go. Go there.
Cash drop is en route.
Where is Pac-Man going?
Okay.
You could have just
That's
got
what
on
I
the
said,
chopper,
huh?
man.
Yeah, but I think he's not
I
able to. Hey, that's my gun or
doing
what?
some hard
No,
work.
that's some other gun.
Uploading now.
But
Secure the
it
area.
looks like my gun.
What is this? What is that?
Transfer complete.
We'll need to
Well
refuel
done.
this.
Hey, some train is going. Okay, nobody's there on the train.
Can you mark a gas
Okay,
station close
one.
by?
Let's go take the most wanted and just stay
There is
inside the
a gas
helicopter.
station here, near that.
Okay,
we'll
go to
meet
the
you over there.
gas station
Yeah.
Okay.
and
Go coastal
take the
area.
most wanted. Okay. Huh? Take the most wanted.
Most wanted. I think we should not get
I'm
down
going
here,
to-
otherwise.
I'm going to upgrading my guns. La, 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 la. Oh, who? Again, bro. That is you.
That is Pac-Man. That is Pac-Man.
Okay.
Okay.
Did he tell you?
Yeah. You can.
I think he was laughing. He would have told not me,
No.
it is alien. I know, man. I know. You lie.
Oh,
I
bro.
know.
Oh,
you'll have it down.
wow.
Okay, I'll go get it.
I'm going to take the. Okay.
Oh,
take
you
the
want to
bomb.
take?
Bomb.
I'll take.
You just
No,
get in the
take
chopper.
it.
Your squad mates being tracked as a most wanted target.
I also will come in the chopper only.
Eliminate
Okay.
enemies and secure supply caches to get the target
Okay.
off their back.
Okay. Go.
To the
Yes.
chopper.
We'll refuel
And
one
go
more
to
time.
the.
Yeah. Please.
Okay.
Take your
Because
time.
we
No
got a
problem.
little damage.
If somebody shoots now, I'll go into the water and keep swimming. You can go away from here. If in case the chopper is going to die, I'm telling.
You are the most wanted, bro. We are not.
I am.
You should go. Yeah.
No, I said I will jump, bro. I said I will jump.
Okay.
Yeah. Why are you
Okay.
jumping? I said I will jump, yeah.
Oh, there's the enemy.
Oh,
Kill him.
man.
Kill him. Kill him. Bro. Kill him. Just kill him.
Downed him.
Downed, he's got down, right? He's down,
Good.
Pac-Man got him. I damaged
Just
him
stay.
nicely, but
Go inside and finish him off, otherwise he'll...
Where he is?
No, he's finished.
Oh,
His squad
somebody
was.
go, man. I don't
Oh,
want
that was
to.
too good, man.
Pac-Man
Right on
or,
that
yeah,
one
it was
pass
really
we
good,
got
no?
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah.
We all shot.
But don't go. One more guy.
Okay.
Got him.
Get him.
Got him. Yeah.
Nice.
We are playing
Super.
Battlefield.
Nice.
We're playing Battlefield.
Yeah.
Chopper
Okay.
kills. I think 1 more minute. Okay, nice. You can feel.
Yeah. Tintin.
Ting.
Stay vigilant.
Hey, again and again sound is coming.
Some may drop.
Oh,
Because of we killed 2 guys, the timer reduced significantly. Don't take there. Don't go there.
He's jumping, no?
Yeah.
Parachute.
You should go there.
We should go there?
No, we
Yeah.
shouldn't.
You want
Because
Shouldn't, okay.
Bro, is it
there will be a no good.
Oh, but 1 minute
There will
left
be a
for
no
me
good
still.
advantage
Please don't
because
kill.
of the roof and everything. Power and
Let's go
A
through
lot
the
of people
bridge.
you can stay. Ama. நான்
Just
விழாம இருந்தா
don't
சரி போங்க.
explode. That's
Make
what
sure I
matters.
don't fall, okay? Super, super, nice. Like Terminator movie, no?
We are toying
Yeah.
with aliens' life
Terminator.
right now.
இதே bridge நான் பார்த்ததே இல்ல. First
Okay,
time I'm
once
seeing this
more.
bridge. I mean,
Once more through the
once
top.
more.
Through the top.
Hey, don't go. Really? Okay. Go. I don't. I'll jump in this thing, no? This place I'll jump and
Alien
stay
is
there.
sitting so tight that
Okay, don't want to take risk.
we don't
Let the
die.
time get over. After that, I'll jump.
Let's take the another most wanted. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, over here. Me over here. Here is
Yeah.
most wanted. But
You keep your guys' guns
And-
ready.
This time, who wants to take? I'll take, or you guys want to? Hey, I put a UAV, man.
You kept your squad
Let's
mate
engage
alive.
the enemy.
Oh, man.
Contract complete. Contract.
I thought like I'm going to fly.
Wait. I want to pick that this thing, man.
Most wanted target.
My
You can
cash,
change
my
your
cash,
loadout.
my cash. Where is it? Oh shit! I fell down.
Oh,
That's not
you,
cash, that's
oh, bro.
loadout.
You fell down.
அதான் தெரியாமல. I thought it is cash. Okay, I'm coming top. Wait, the chopper. Yes, I'm in.
I think
You are
you
very
should
chalak,
refuel now.
bro. Okay.
What happened?
You are very chalak, bro. Very chalak.
What is chalak?
Chalak means
Intelligent.
what do you call that?
Intelligent.
No,
Smart.
no. Intelligent. Yeah.
Sexy.
Smart. Yeah.
Smart, sexy, handsome,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
all girls like me. I know that, man. Why you should tell me? I already know that. I am like that only. I know.
Hey, there's a guy coming.
Hey, one guy's
Yes.
coming here. Can you see?
Where?
Parachute he landed down in the water. Wait. I'll mark him
Where?
when he comes outside. I marked no here. This. That. Hey,
Okay,
see, here.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Don't move.
Go.
Oh. I got him.
Go to the
Oh,
go up,
shit.
bro.
What the hell, man? You did not have to be so.
Down me, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Alone, get him, Alone. He's there, still there up. It's okay, he's coming to you. Careful.
Yeah, he's down.
One more guy
guy
in the left
water.
side.
I'm coming.
Water.
Yeah, one more guy in the
Yeah.
water.
Enemy mark.
This side is coming. Yeah. That side. Careful.
Snipe him.
You can revive me. Good. I'll go. Okay, I'll go.
Marking enemy.
Shit, man.
You should
One more.
revive him.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
bro. Where he is? Oh. Kill
One
him,
was
kill him,
above.
Alien survive.
Oh, but
Yeah,
what
man.
happened?
He got me, bro. He got me. We
Why
lost the
he's
most
lying?
wanted, bro.
I was so excited.
Oh shit, man, you died. But I don't know how I survived it. Hey, somebody's coming to backside. You have to go to the water.
Kill him, bro. Kill him.
Wait.
I'm coming.
Two people are there, bro. Two people. If I engage, I'll die.
It's so funny, man.
Alien is hunted, bro. Be careful.
What? Why, man? Why am I hunted? What did I do? I didn't do anything wrong. Why they are hunting me?
Where are they?
I don't know. They're coming in the back of me. Oh shit! Somebody.
Need to heal up.
I'm not having the right loadout for fighting.
Downed him.
Sniper spotted.
King, I almost got him.
But there is one more guy over there. Like who killed
He's
the
having that
alien.
pull him. What about? I died, bro. I died.
Polymorph. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he's having that PKM.
Take the bounty, bro.
Hey, there's another guy.
Oh, shit. Up there. Oh, over there. Kill him. Good. Polymorph.
What the hell?
using a
How come
polymorph.
his aim is so good?
Coming to you, bro. Can you hear me?
Oh, he's shooting through walls and all.
Is he on the roof?
Oh. No,
No.
he's down.
He's down. You want to kill him? He got me one more time.
There's somebody down here.
No.
Planting
He's
mark.
dead.
You got him? No. He's not dead. He's here.
कहाँ है मार्क करो
I can't. सत्यमा सत्रवा point.
I marked him. I marked him, bro. Oh, bro.
Oh shit, shit.
He got me. He got me. Again, he got me.
Oh,
Shooting
भाई
me.
Oh
साहब.
shit.
Oh,
Hey,
what the
sniper
fuck,
man.
man?
IK, careful sniper.
How does he know
IK,
that
revive
I'm...
பண்ண முடியுமா? Can you? Bro, can
I
I
don't
revive?
know, man, but
Oh shit,
Aimbot,
man.
aimbot.
Hey,
Aimbot,
shooting
guys.
through walls. Yeah, he's
Aimbot.
shooting through walls.
Reported.
I know, yeah.
100%. Wait, I'm reporting. Oh shit, I
Just
forgot to report him.
Hacker was using
Damn.
I
the...
don't
come again
understand
here
how
and just
come
report
Fuck.
again and again.
he he
Come
he
here
he
and
he
report
Yeah, I
he
again.
reported
shot
him
me through
twice.
wall, man.
Enemy attack helos in the
Yeah.
airspace.
Coming
Take it
back to
down
you,
and
bro.
secure that cache.
Definitely.
I don't know where I got team wiped and
Maybe here.
okay.
Yeah, it's not wrong.
Come here, guys. Come here.
Yeah,
Let's
coming.
go to.
Let's go try to fuck him. Yeah.
I see him.
Where?
Out of here!
Okay. Come here. Got him?
Only 2 minutes left. Fucking come, let's.
No, it's
2 minutes
not him.
left.
That guy's
No,
name is something else.
he's not that. Yeah. He got the kill shot operator.
He's shooting someone here, boy.
One second.
Yeah, even I saw that fire. I don't know from where it came though. Not sure. Oh, close by.
Because he didn't see me jumping through that slab, right? On top. There is no way he could have
Yeah.
seen me. And he's shooting exactly at my location, even though I was hiding behind that window. So
இல்ல
then I
அவன்
know.
wall வழியா shoot பண்ணான். He
Yeah, he's
shot me
using
through the
wall
wall.
Where
hacks.
did he go?
Yeah, wall axe, aim axe, everything. Auto aim, everything is using.
See, he's gone.
He's here somewhere.
Maybe they kicked him out or what.
He's on the top, I think.
Something
No.
அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிருக்கும். Yeah, even
On
I
the
have.
roof?
He's on
Okay.
the top, I
என்னாச்சு?
think.
Let's go
Where
check.
are you?
No,
I think so.
There's no rope anywhere. I don't know how to get on top.
How do you go to on the roof?
That's what I've been trying.
you see. Yes. Staircase. Not here.
There's a staircase somewhere.
Here.
That's
Okay,
what.
here. Come to me.
Hey, somebody
Jamie,
shot.
come to me. No, me. That's
Somebody
me.
shot?
No, it's me, bro.
Oh, you.
Okay.
Oh, got him. Oh, अच्छा. Understood.
I put a UAV.
Oh,
Alien?
Yeah.
Alien got a UAV.
Yeah, what happened?
Nice.
If you take that
What are you
bounty
doing here?
nearby,
Why
right,
are you doing that?
maybe then we can find him. If he's in the area.
Oh, he
Why
is
are you
there.
doing?
Understood. He's here
There is.
in
There
this
is
building.
Where? Way far from here.
No, not in this building. Sorry.
Oh,
What
match
man?
is gonna
So
get over.
soon UAVs.
Yeah.
Time is up. Maybe I think we reported him again and again. That's why.
His name is Chef_Ramsey, okay? Just go and report after the
Yeah.
match. Match is getting over now.
Yeah, நான் பண்ண போறேன். ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க பேரு. I want to do that. I wanted to
Chef_Ramsey.
report.
Yush, it was impossible
Last
to get me
played
from
teammate
that
போனா வரும் பேரு.
position.
Objective failed. We didn't secure enough cache.
He was 100% genuine actor. 100% sure.
And yeah. Genuine or hacker.